don't have to. I'm taking everything out of her bag. You don't even have to steal. You got money. Do you guys want me to call DCF? I have no problem on calling DCF and they will take both of the kids. How is it that they left you? What kind of shitty friends you got?
This is my mom.
What kind of shitty ass friends you got?
On February 11th, 2020, officers in Florida responded to a shoplifting call at a Home Depot store. The suspect made one decision that transformed her petty theft into a third-degree felony. She physically clutched her infant while resisting arrest, an act that triggered child neglect charges under Florida law.
Hold that for me. Alright, get up.
She's talking to you.
Yeah. You have anything in your bag?
No.
Do you have anybody here with your baby?
Yeah, stay in the car.
Stay in the car? Call them.
Oh, man. We have no ID, by the way, as well.
That's fine.
You can have your cards.
I'll get it. Here. Have a seat. Cole, have a seat.
I'm gonna call them.
Do you want me to
pee? No.
You want me to hurt you in front of your kid?
Don't.
Call them.
Can you not grab me, please?
Call them.
Oh my God.
You get up,
I'm
and
not
it's gonna
getting
get bad.
up, ma'am. I'm not getting up. I'm just
So
turning
call them.
around.
No, you're gonna stay like that. Call them.
I'm not moving.
Call them. You're making it worse for you. This
I'm
was
not,
quick.
ma'am.
This
I
is
know.
so quick.
All right, Kristen.
Yep.
You're
Need a
good.
copy?
I'm gonna keep Laura. No, I already have a copy. I'm gonna keep Laura. I'm gonna swap you two, please.
It's not even answering the phone. They just don't look like that. It's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
You need me to sign?
Yeah, I need you to be the witness for that, please.
Can you walk me outside?
No. Who are they?
My
So just a friend?
and my son is in the car. My cousin. How can you just
Why
walk?
they're not
I'm not
answering?
gonna. I don't know. Her phone probably dead or something. I'm not gonna do anything. You already got me in here. I'm not gonna. I'm not. You feel me? What can I do? I got my baby.
You gonna let him carry baby?
I ain't carrying the baby. You can put the baby in the stroller. I ain't touching
Where's
the kid.
the
I'm sorry.
stroller?
We can get a shopping cart. The
Yeah,
baby can go in
you
the
can
baby
bring her in the
basket,
stroller.
and you can put her in handcuffs. We can walk her outside.
I'm not even trying to.
You have the receipt and the video ready?
Copy that, ma'am.
You have the
receipts
the
right
video
here.
ready?
I'm working on the video.
Can you do that?
Yeah. What'd you say?
And this card is from your store. From 6379.
Oh my God, bro. Try to call my mama. It's crazy. Oh, shit. Calling my dad.
It's a petty charge.
I know. I'm not trying to. I just want to get it over with. I just want to get on my baby. Can you just walk outside with me?
I can't
now?
let you walk like that. You gotta go in handcuffs.
You can hold the baby.
And hold you at the same time?
I'm not gonna do.
Why
I got
not
my
for him?
child. And my other baby in the car. What least can I do? I'm
I don't
not.
know.
I'm not dead. I'm not
Are
dead
you guys
though.
bringing me a shopping cart? It's here? Alright.
Wait, Major.
Just put them right there. Come on, hurt your kid?
Get off of me.
Lady, you're not Lady, you're not moving, lady. Lady, you're not moving.
Let go of the kid. You're hurting him.
I got my baby.
Let go.
Lady,
This guy said I wasn't going to jail. Just give me
You're
a
not-
trespass.
You're not going. Exactly. It's a stupid trespass.
Don't do that. I got my baby with me.
Let go of the baby. Let go of the baby.
Come on, Sydney. Ouch.
Don't fucking
I'm
blame me.
not. I have a kid.
Hey, comply. Listen, comply. Don't fight her. Don't fight her. Give me your other hand.
Oh my God.
Don't fight her.
I got
Hey, don't fight her. Comply.
490 back to one.
All right.
So, HQ.
I know.
clear. It's clear.
And now you're going to jail for stupid.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Please, no.
No, it was a fucking ticket.
He said a trespass,
It was a fucking petty theft.
I want to get to my baby.
146, 10-4-10.
Oh, just inside of my arm.
10-4, 1, 10-15.
Ouch.
115, 18, 20 hours.
Have a seat.
Major. I did. He didn't even give it to me to sign. What
It was
paper?
a fucking paper.
Can I get up, please?
No.
I gotta pee, man. I'm about to pee on myself. Seriously. Can I please get up? I got my child. I'm not trying to. Please, ma'am.
You're not very smart, I'll tell you that.
Huh?
Under the Fourth Amendment, custodial arrest requires probable cause, and loss prevention supplied video, physical evidence, and matching receipts. That evidentiary trifecta leaves no room for a constitutional challenge to the arrest itself. Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 2001, officers may execute a custodial arrest even for minor misdemeanors. The escalation from a notice to appear to a full arrest was, therefore, legally airtight. Florida Statute Section 843.02 criminalizes resisting an officer engaged in a lawful legal duty. Passive noncompliance, refusing to stand when lawfully ordered, by itself satisfies the obstruction element under Polite v. State.
Thank you. God. Thank you. Can you push it all the way because it's on the phone now?
You don't have to. I'm taking everything out of her pants.
4190, how close to you?
What's already staged? Nothing.
This is your money. It's going inside.
I gotta pee so bad. I'm really about to pee on myself, please.
Do it, girl.
211 was fine, copy. What are you all working on this? 2060 is on the shoplifter in custody. 1015.
You don't even have to steal. You got money.
Cover.
You want gloves? Suicide bag.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
You got gloves or you need them?
I got him.
All right.
You're good. All right, up. For your legs. You have anything on you?
Thank you.
You know, in jail, if you have anything, they're gonna charge you. Stop moving. Just stay still.
I got it going. That's fine. You saved it. Can you burn it for me? You probably have to sign into your own account because I'm logged in on myself. I don't have a new phone.
Do you really have someone for this kid or not?
Yes, I do. It's in the car.
Let's just wait for another officer before we take her off.
Can you walk me up there?
2060 1014.
Please.
197. Where's she at?
Yes, yes, you can do it. Go for it.
1823.
That's your mom?
Where you at?
At the office, all the way at the back.
I'm so sorry. It's okay, Papa. Please.
You're going to jail.
Please.
I told you it was a stupid ticket.
He just told me.
I told you that's what it was.
He
I
didn't
sat there
say
in front of you and I
that.
said,
No,
it's
I
a
didn't
stupid
hear you
ticket. I
say
told you you're not
that.
going to jail.
He didn't. You just told me this.
521 was fine. Clear. And I'll be 51 back to
to my
HQ.
baby. My other son is in the car.
You want to run?
1824.
You said stand up when you came inside.
That's what you told me to do. You didn't say nothing about a ticket. I didn't hear you say that.
712 is on the code 4. You can cancel it out.
Please. Miss.
The fact that you put your baby in harm,
835.
that pissed me off. You're going to jail for being stupid.
The pivotal charge, however, arises under Florida Statute Section 827.03, neglect of a child. The statute reaches any culpably negligent act that could reasonably be expected to cause physical injury to a child. Struggling while clutching an infant, after repeated commands to release the child, satisfies that standard as a matter of law. That single choice elevated the offense from a first-degree misdemeanor to a third-degree felony punishable by up to 5 years. On use of force, Graham v. Connor, 1989, requires objective reasonableness judged from the officer's on-scene perspective. The force applied stayed at the lowest tier of the continuum, soft, empty hand control with no less lethal weapons deployed.
That's the main thing.
In the car.
Not my problem, girl. She thought about it. I told you, it's a simple thing. Yeah, she got a kid. Hold on, she got a kid. So I just gotta make sure, she says there's someone outside with her. So I can give the kid. Come on. Hey, I'll take the baby. You want to?
Yeah,
thank you. Oh, no, you trying to take them off?
No,
you want
I'm
another
not.
charge?
I'm not trying to do nothing.
I'm telling you, you're not very bright. You are not very bright.
This thing is hurting me. I'm not doing nothing. Alright, Major.
Alright, brother. Yeah.
Oh.
I'm not trying to get a baby, but do you mind asking her if she want me to take her baby home?
Well, supposedly her friend is here with her other kid.
1260 West
They pulled off?
This could be extra, because I don't want y'all to take her baby.
Oh no, this year will come.
1015 was
Pick up this baby.
handed over to Officer Thomas for transport. Show me 107.
Your friends left.
Oh my.
801.
What?
Yeah.
You want me to take your baby home?
You can call her on my phone, call my baby phone.
Put your feet in. Put your feet in. Put it in.
Can you call my
What you want from here about education?
Is that who it is? Cousin mate.
No.
2862.
What's your password?
2862.
2012.
Copy.
Will
No,
they
that's
come?
not it. That's not the number. No, hang that up. That's not her.
Well, she's asking where you at.
That's not her. It's my cousin Mika. I don't know what she asked where I'm at from. It's Karita. That number. Karita. And my baby, his phone is in there too.
Yeah, your son. I told him. Hello? Oh, I told them to come. They need to get your baby, and they left. Hello?
Major.
Hello?
Yes, this is
Karita.
Officer Rubio.
Where you at, Karita?
Right here. Coming.
Coming where?
I'm coming back to where you at.
You left?
Go there, like,
Police station 113 occupied a bunker and garden. First to Black Honda.
Yes, I'm.
Solid caller. At 79 Palmetto Street.
Okay.
do you want her to take your stuff? Alright, where's your ID? And what purse? Do you have like a bunch of shit somewhere? Do you have an ID?
My stuff got stolen.
You don't have an ID?
That's why I had to give him my card.
CSA 2512. You have a 52 for your 4?
Yeah.
Call my mom's phone too. Yeah, get my mom number. 561-225.
Are you coming back?
Yeah, we're coming to get the baby now.
Where are you coming from?
Really?
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Northlake.
From North Lake?
What?
Yes.
I thought you guys were just here.
No.
So who was that person with her other kid? Do you guys want me to call DCF? Because this is stupid. I have no problem on calling DCF and they will take both of the kids.
No, I'm coming right now to get the baby.
No, where are you at?
Take him to my mama. You got my mama number. You got my mama number?
No, you're not 5 minutes away. You say you're in Blue Heron.
No, I'm coming. I will be there, man.
5465. Call her now. Tell her you bringing Major.
How is it that they left you? What kind of shitty friends you got?
225.
I'm right here coming, man.
What's the number to your mom? This is my mom.
What kind of shitty ass friends you got? Who's with your son?
And my son is with Karita. Call my daddy phone.
That Juliet
Do you have your ID?
Juliet Bravo 51.
There she is. Hi, Major. He knows you.
The officer's verbal conduct, however, tells a different story, calling the suspect stupid, retarded, and not very bright. Such language violates no constitutional right, yet breaches nearly every modern department's professional conduct policy. It also creates civil liability exposure and evidentiary problems if defense counsel later argues punitive motive at trial. On the grades, Officer Rubio earns a B, legally and tactically sound, professionally deficient in verbal conduct. The suspect earns an F. Every choice she made escalated her exposure from a citation into a felony arrest. 3 lessons worth remembering. First, passive resistance is still resistance under Florida law, not a neutral position. Second, invoking a child's presence during arrest does not deter police action. It manufactures additional felony exposure. Third, officer discretion runs both directions. A notice to appear becomes a custodial arrest the moment cooperation collapses. If you would like us to analyze a specific interaction or legal issue, drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more legal analysis of police and court interactions.